Hello everyone, welcome to the class of inventory model. Today we are going to discuss with the third case in the deterministic model. The case is infinite production with the shortages. In this case, we have to know a new term, that is a shortage cost. It is also called a stock out cost. Shortage cost means it is a penalty cost associated with either a delay in meeting the demand or inability to meet all due to shortage of stock. The shortage cost include some items. They are loss of future sales because customer go elsewhere, loss of customers goodwill. Sometimes they may incur extra cost associated with the urgent replenishment of purchase. The shortage cost is represented by using the symbol CS, or shortage cost is called CS. Here we have to study the four equations. First one is Q optimal, or EOQ is equal to square root of 2DCO divided by CH into square root of CH plus CS divided by CS. Next, second equation, TIC optimal, or total inventory cost at optimal level, is equal to square root of 2DCOCH into square root of CS divided by CH plus CS. Third equation, optimal remaining units after the back order is satisfied, it is called S optimal, is equal to Q optimal into CS divided by CH plus CS. Next, number of shortages. The number of shortages is find out by using Q optimal minus S optimal. Next, we have to solve a practical problem in the case 3. The question is the demand of an item is uniform at a rate of rate of 25 units per month. The fixed cost is rupees 30 each time a production is made. The production cost is rupees 2 per item and the inventory cost is rupees 50 paise per month. Shortage cost is rupees 3 per month. Determine how often to make a production run and of what size. Find the optimal number of production run per month. What is the optimal total inventory cost? The items given in the questions are D is equal to 25 units. Here all items are given monthly. D is equal to 25 units. CH is equal to rupees 0.50. C is equal to, or unit cost, rupees 2. CO, or ordering cost, is equal to rupees 30 and the shortage cost, or CS, is equal to rupees 3. First, we have to find out the optimal number of production run per month, or Q optimal, is equal to square root of 2DCO divided by CH into square root of CH plus CS divided by CS is equal to, then we will substitute all values by using the items listed above. Then we will get the value 60 units. 60 units. Next is optimal time between two consecutive runs. It is called T optimal. Using equation Q optimal divided by D is equal to, we get 2.4 months. Next question, total optimal monthly inventory cost, or TIC optimal, is equal to square root of 2DCOCH into square root of CS divided by CH plus CS. Substitute all values, then we get the value rupees 80.180. Next is the number of production run. It is calculated by using the equation D by Q optimal. Then we get the final answer 0.42 per month. Thank you.